Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shona Super Life. I know I'm very late, I'm really sorry for that. But now I'm here with my new video which is on art therapy. So art therapy is an inspirational and practical way to de-stress yourself and realize your creative potential. Now what is art therapy? So art therapy helps in relaxation of your mind. So basically art therapy is a drawing of your imagination in which a sun can be in a shape of a square or in a shape of a flower, in a shape of a 3D image, whatever you like. Not only a sun but whatever you want to draw a object. It's totally up to you. So this is a type of art therapy work where you have done scribbling and then you have colored it with your beautiful colors and now you can see the result. This is another example of art therapy work where you can see a tree is in color of yellow color and it has some leaves of red color, white color, yellow color and green color. So see, this is my art therapy work in which an apple is in blue color and is in a square shape. Now there is a lot of difference between art therapy and artwork. So art therapy is all about your imagination, but artwork is not all about your imagination. Art therapy, if a sun is in the shape of a circle in natural, then there is no force meant for you that you have to draw the sun exactly in the shape of a circle. You can draw it in a shape of a square, in a shape of a rectangle, in a shape of a flower, in a shape of a star, whatever you want. But in artwork, if a sun in a shape of a circle, then there is a force meant for you that you have to draw that circle, sun in the shape of a circle only. This is an example of the above difference. See, in art therapy there is a sunflower, but in artwork there is a normal sun. Art therapy helps in relaxation of soul, and you can perform art therapy as an individual, with your community, with your group, with your friends and family. So you can do this art therapy when you are angry, when you are happy, when you are sad and also when you are normal. So see, when you wake up with a bad dream, what to do? So you have to take a paper, you have to scribble on it like I have done, scribble on it, crush it and just throw it away. Next, so when we are angry, then you have to take a paper, then you have to scribble on it. It will be looking so mess, then just try to color it with your dark colors and you will be now having a beautiful piece of art. Like for example this, I've just done her scribbling and then I just try to color it and you can see the result. I have having a beautiful piece of art. So when you are happy, so when you are very happy, then just try to draw a piece of art which you don't know how to do it. So like this way you will just learn something new, innovative, and you yourself will also feel very happy whenever you will just see your that drawing. So for example, this is my that drawing. I have drawn this drawing when I was very happy. I just draw myself with my dog. So when you are sad, obviously you will not having any mood to draw anything. But then just take out your sadness, just draw something with some dark colors, with some dull colors, which will symbolize your sadness. And by doing this drawing, you will just forget about your sadness and you will be happy very soon. Suppose this is my drawing when I was sad. I was very sad, but then I just colored this sad drawing and now you can see the impact of colors. So when you are normal, so then you can just try to draw something new like this I have drawn. Thank you so much. Hope you all like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and motivate me for making more videos. Bye bye.